Hello everyone, my name is Samet Ceylan and I will teach you sending notifications with App Inventor. So before explaining what should you do, I will give you some information about Notifier. Notifier is non-visible command on App Inventor too, so it doesn't seen on screen and it uses on giving information or attention or something else. And it also uses on asking variables from users. So we can start our design. I'm clicking start new project and I'm writing Notifier can be, and I'm saying okay. Yeah, we will start. Firstly, I am adding Notifier to my screen. The Notifier, as I said, non-visible components, and I am selecting the screen. I'm determining the center for align horizontal. Yeah. Now I am adding a button. This button is a start button. Therefore, I am changing the name of button. Name is start button. And I am changing text for button to start. Yeah, it's good. So I will add two buttons except this one, but I want them to look like a table form. Therefore, before I am adding the buttons, I need to add table arrangement. I added table arrangement, but I need to arrange columns and rows number. I have two buttons, as I said, except this one. Therefore, columns is 2, okay, but rows must be 1. Okay. I can add buttons now, and I said two buttons. Yeah, first one and second one. And I will add image for each button. For button 1, my button 1 is a happy button, and the image, click here and upload file, and as I said, the happy. It's my happy button, but as you see, it's really huge. But I can arrange the size in here. The height is 100 pixels and width is 100 pixels too. Yeah, it's enough for me. But the text is not good. I'm deleting the text. Yeah. For button 2, it's our set button. So I am adding an image, upload file, choose a file, and this one, okay. Yeah, it's huge too, but I can arrange. The height is 100, the width is 100, and I'm deleting text, and I'm changing the button's name. First button, my happy button, so I'm changing happy button. Second button is set button. I'm changing. Yeah. And I need to label. The label is a question. The question is, how are you? How are you? Yeah. I think I've forgotten something. Yeah. Our table arrangement must be unvisible for now, but the application when application start, the table arrangement will be visible. But now table arrangement must be invisible. Okay, this first stage is done, and we can start blocks stage. So when we click start button, Notifier will work. Therefore, variables int alias, global name, and username. I'm writing username because of I want to Notifier asking a question. The question is, what's your name? Therefore, I did this. I am adding variables and this comment, and I'm texting username. Okay, and now I am adding a text box, an empty text box. In here, I must add because there won't any problem. There won't be any problem. I'm sorry. Okay, now I am adding a new comment. The new comment is when I click the start button, what should it do? If I click start button, the notifier show text dialog. The dialog has message and title. The message is, as I said, it's a question. The question is, what's your name? And the title is just name. And I'm adding a new code. It's when notifier after text input. Yeah, it's and I am arranging set global username. I am clicking it, and yeah, and after that I am attaching get response. Yeah, I'm clicking the response and I'm changing global username. Okay, that's it. But as you remember, table arrangement is non-visible now, so I'm changing it with this comment. Yeah, I'm changing it this comment, and I'm duplicating this piece, and I have attached. So we can start the our buttons. As you know, we have two buttons. Uh, the first one is happy button, and second one is set button. And I'm adding this comment when happy button click, and uh, I want to an article occur when I click happy button. So the label, set label, not background. I'm sorry. Set label and text. Yeah, and I'm adding a group, and I'm adding get response comment. and I'm changing it, and I'm adding an empty box. So writing the message. The message is you should spend this beautiful day with your loved ones because our user is happy today. When our user if our user is sad, when sad button click, and I'm duplicating the right click and duplicate. I'm just changing this message. The message is life is worth living and never give up. Yeah, our application is ready now.